Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The October 31, 2023 price comparison for the three major cryptocurrencies, BTC, ETH, and BNB, has increased by 0.62%, 0.6%, and -0.79% respectively, compared to the same date in the past.
Latest news.
Federal judge rules, New York law applies to SBF case. SBF is facing 7 charges in New York, and federal judge Louis Kaplan will explain to the jury how New York law applies to the charges. SBF's lawyers attempted to argue that the legal provisions were subject to British law, but Judge Kaplan stated that the case applies New York law. Closing arguments are set to begin on Wednesday, with deliberations possibly starting as early as Thursday. OpenAI update sparks concern for AI PDF reader startups. OpenAI has reportedly released an update for ChatGPT Plus subscribers, allowing users to upload PDFs, documents, and other file types to the chatbot and ask ChatGPT questions about them. This development has raised concerns among AI-focused startups, as some believe it could put companies built around generative AI to read documents out of business. Anthropic, a rival AI developer, included a document upload feature in its earliest versions of Cloud AI. Meta AI, an Austin-based AI PDF developer, has raised $3.5 million in funding LED by Google's Gradient Ventures. The company's long-term vision is to develop tools that make people wiser and more productive, as AI automates mundane processes and frees people to be more creative. Stablecoins poised to fulfill crypto expectations, says Pantera Capital executive. Jeff Lewis, product manager at Pantera Capital, believes that Bitcoin and Ethereum have not met expectations for crypto, but stablecoins are poised to succeed. Lewis states that Bitcoin's lack of speed and scalability hinders its potential as a viable replacement for money, while Ethereum is almost as volatile as Bitcoin and unsuitable as a stable currency. Stablecoins aim to enable peer-to-peer transfers of value and help protect against unstable currencies. Lewis compares PayPal to a stablecoin, noting that it allows users to cheaply transfer digital ledger entries, worth $1 to merchants worldwide. Other companies such as Franklin Templeton and JP Morgan have built blockchain-based applications, and Citi's new Citi Token Services aims to provide tokenized deposits, cross-border payments, and automated trade finance solutions. President Biden issues executive order on AI development and use. President Joe Biden has issued an executive order on the safe, secure, and trustworthy development and use of artificial intelligence, AI, to address potential threats posed by the technology. The order states that responsible AI use can help solve urgent challenges, but irresponsible use could exacerbate societal harms, displace and disempower workers, stifle competition, and pose risks to national security. The legislative branch is also working on its own plans for regulating AI. Some critics have criticized the order's reporting requirements and the treatment of computing power as a dangerous resource. AI-related tokens have experienced a decline. Bank for International Settlements releases Project mBridge update. The Bank for International Settlements, BIS, has published an update on Project mBridge. The update provides information on the central bank digital currency, CBDC, bridge, its governance structure, and technical details. The project aims to become a minimum viable product for commercial launch next year. The update highlights the use of Dashing Consensus Algorithm, a Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) consensus protocol that improves overall protocol performance, and legal entity identifiers for anti-money laundering and countering the financing of terrorism. The update also reveals a list of 25 observer organizations, including central banks, the International Monetary Fund, and the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. 11 of these observers are active in the project's sandbox, though their identities were not disclosed. JED McCaleb-Backed Voltage Park launches 24,000 GPU cloud computing cluster for AI. Voltage Park, an AI-focused nonprofit organization, has launched a cloud computing cluster consisting of 24,000 GPUs. The project aims to cater to the rapidly growing machine learning (ML) compute market, which has faced challenges such as inflexible long-term contracts and high GPU rental rates. Voltage Park CEO Eric Park emphasized the impact of the compute shortage on AI innovators. Jed McCaleb, known for co-founding Ripple and founding Stellar, has shifted his focus to the fast-growing field of AI. McCaleb's funding of Voltage Park, a subsidiary of his nonprofit navigation fund, is a strategic move in this direction. The organization aims to make ML infrastructure accessible to everyone, from large tech companies to emerging startups. With approximately 24,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, worth around $1 million, Voltage Park becomes a significant player in the ML market. The organization is already providing services to startups like Imbue and working on infrastructure for well-known AI companies like Character AI and Atomic AI. Voltage Park aims to be fully operational by 2024. Circle to close individual accounts on November 30th. Circle, a stablecoin issuer, will close individual consumer accounts on November 30th. The company confirmed the closure in an email, stating that support for wiring and minting functionalities will no longer be provided for these accounts. Users have speculated about the reasons behind the decision, with some suggesting that individual accounts may be money laundering intermediaries, while others believe it may be part of a cost-cutting or restructuring exercise. Circle referred to individual accounts as legacy consumer accounts in its statement. Solana Labs launches GameShift to simplify blockchain game development. Solana Labs has announced the beta launch of GameShift, a platform designed to make it easier for game developers to create blockchain-powered experiences on the Solana network. GameShift offers a unified API that manages blockchain complexity behind the scenes, allowing developers to concentrate on game creation rather than learning how to code in blockchain support. The platform supports features such as digital asset listings, in-game marketplaces for trading assets, and credit card transactions for in-game purchases denominated in USD. GameShift is powered by Solana Labs with support from ecosystem partners Crossmint, CoinFlow, and MetaKeep. The beta launch of GameShift coincided with Breakpoint 2025, Solana's annual developer conference held in Amsterdam. Binance Market Update 2023年10月31日 The global cryptocurrency market cap has decreased by -0.34% over the last day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has been trading between $34,000 and $25 and $34,600 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are trading mixed. Market outperformers include VIB, Gas, and Sushi, up by 30%, 28%, and 22%, respectively. Top stories include the 15th anniversary of the Bitcoin Whitepaper, the use of English law in jury instructions in a fraud case, and a former Star Arena team member threatening to expose unless they are paid $690,420 USDT. Circle Internet Financial phases out support for individual stablecoin accounts. Circle Internet Financial is phased out individual accounts for minting stablecoins, effective immediately. Retail users can still access USDC through brokerages, crypto exchanges, and digital asset wallet services. The decision to phase out individual accounts aligns with that of Tether, which limits minting and redemptions to $100,000. USDC is the second largest stablecoin offering, but its market share has significantly declined this year. USDT has soared to a new all-time high of over $84 billion. Gensler celebrates Bitcoin Whitepaper's 15th, urges crypto firms' law compliance. Gary Gensler, chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, celebrated the 50th anniversary of Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin Whitepaper in a tweet. He also expressed his message to crypto firms, emphasizing the need for legal compliance and deceptive practices. The SEC stance is to ensure a well-regulated and secure environment within the crypto market, while balancing innovation with investor protection. Web3 theft hits yearly low in October, with 32.2 million losses. Web3 theft reached its lowest point in October, with blockchain security firm 30K reporting losses of 32 million across 78 incidents. No single incident resulted in a loss of over 61 million. October's losses were approximately a quarter of the running monthly average. January saw the second lowest losses at 33.7 million. Exit scams were the only category to increase in October, reaching 4 times higher than the low in September. Exploits saw a peak in September, mainly due to the 2.1 million loss suffered by the Mixin network when its cloud service provider was breached. The North Korean Lazarus Group remained the dominant threat actor, according to 30K's Q3 report. NFT Paris Conference founder expects mainstream brands to fully embrace NFT technology. NFT Paris Conference to expand to 2024 with big attendance, focus on blockchain builders, culture, and technology. Founder Alexander Tsidenkov anticipates a big turnout, with mainstream brands fully embracing the technology of NFTs. The third edition of NFT Paris will have a broader range of participants, with a focus on blockchain builders and technical aspects. The conference will also launch a loyalty token, which has received a good response and can be redeemed for bonuses and discounts. The goal is to create a loyalty program for Web3 as a whole and reward users who are most engaged.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.